O Jerusalem, how the enemy besets you, your walls are broken down, and they lie in ruin about you, in the praises of our God and King no longer rise, and the heathen mock your holy name because of us. O Jerusalem, that I might rebuild your temple and restore again in my Father's house His worship. Then the nations of the earth shall see, shall be glad that the Lord our God, the mighty King, Jehovah reigns. In my spirit, Lord, you have placed a zeal for Zion and to see restored on the earth your holy kingdom. Let it come, may your love so burn within my heart, till you come in glory to receive your bride and reign. Let it come, oh let it come. Let your kingdom come, Lord. Let your will be done. Oh, we crown you King. Oh, Lord, you are the King. Let it come. May your love so burn within my heart, till you come in glory to receive your bride and reign. We stand for the benediction. May the Lord bless and keep you. May His grace and His face shine upon you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace, and give you peace. Yivarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha, Ya'er panav alecha v'yichuneka, Yisa Adonai panav alecha Yisem lecha shalom Yisem lecha shalom. This is the way you shall be blessed from day to day. You be your rest. Oh, this is the way. Oh, you shall be blessed from day to day. You be your rest. May the Lord bless and keep you. May His grace and His face shine upon you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace, and give you peace, and give you peace, and give you